Hello, this is Ramon and I want to show you how to play an arpeggio of 6 notes in which you don't have to mute the sound of the sixth string. I will show you with an example. This is Villalobos study number 1, and here you have to play this arpeggio. If you play normally, you will hit, when you play the B, you will hit the sixth string. If you play normally, then I have mute the sound of the sixth string. What you have to do is to turn the hand like this when you play, like this, and do a small movement of the thumb. This way you will not hit the sixth string. When you play normally, you have this position, and what happens is this. You mute the sixth string, but if you turn the hand like this and move the thumb with a small movement, you won't hit the sixth string. That's what you want. That's what you have to do, to turn the hand and do a small movement of the thumb, so that you don't mute the sixth string. That's it. I hope it helps you. Thank you.